Okay, so now you get a phone call. You pick up the phone call. What are you going to do and what are you not going to do? That's what we're going to go over next.
This is how we do it.
Something that can help with all the phone calls, you can put your number on the Do Not Call Registry. It's not going to stop all scam calls, but it's going to stop a good majority of them, and it's going to stop those telemarketers, the annoying ones. Next step is using some type of call blocking application. And one tip, if you have T-Mobile, something that I found that you can do is you can press pound 662 pound, and this will turn on call blocking for all the scam likely numbers. Now, if you do not have T-Mobile, you can easily call your phone service provider and ask what do they have to offer when it comes to blocking scam calls, and you can take it further from there. Now you know that's a scam caller. You can report them to the FTC by calling a number or going on a website. I'll put that up somewhere over here. And on top of that, as always, as I like to say, delete and block, delete and block, delete and block, and delete and block the number from out your phone. Now we're gonna go over a couple of don'ts. First being, if you can, don't pick up phone numbers like those 888 phone numbers that you are not aware of, because likely they're a scam. If someone calls and it's an unknown number and it's one ring, do not, and I repeat, do not call that number back at all. It's a scam. One thing that I do, and it works for me personally most of the time, but sometimes it doesn't, is I do not pick up phone calls from phone numbers that I do not know. I depend on them leaving a voice message if they actually need something from me or if they're someone of importance. And also those verbal calls, they will sometimes leave a voice message, and that's like gives me the go ahead to delete and block the number because they're not anyone important. If you get a phone call and it's telling you to press 1 or press 2 or even press star to take you off of the calling list, don't press any of those buttons. Again, 9 times out of 10, it's just a part of their elaborate plan to take you down a phishing adventure. So don't press it, just hang up immediately. Last but not least, and most importantly, do not give out your personal or financial information, and definitely do not pay for anything. I'm begging you, don't do it. Thank you.